Good morning, students. Today's topic is molecularity of a reaction. What do you mean by molecularity? Molecularity means number of reacting species like atoms, ions, and molecules which take part in an elementary reaction. Elementary reaction means the reaction which takes place in one step only. So these are elementary reactions. The number of atoms, ions and molecules which take part in elementary reactions which must collide simultaneously to bring about a chemical reaction. So these number of reacting species is called as molecularity of a reaction. Suppose this is the example, 2HI give rise to H2 plus I2. Here the number of reacting species is 2. Then molecularity is also equal to 2. In second example, 2NO plus O2 give rise to 2NO2. Here the number of reacting species is 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3, means molecularity is 3, means trimolecular reaction. The probability of more than 3 molecules colliding simultaneously, that is rare. But the molecularity of a reaction does not extend beyond 3. So molecularity can be defined only for elementary reaction which takes place only in one step. For complex reaction, it does not have any meaning. Now, what are the difference between order and molecularity? First, order. Order is defined as the sum of power of concentration of reactant in the rate law expression. But the molecularity is the total number of reacting species which take part in an elementary reaction after the collision simultaneously to bring about a chemical reaction. Order is an experimental quantity which can be zero or a fraction. Molecularity is always an integer number. It cannot be zero or a fraction. Order is determined experimentally, but molecularity, it is a theoretical concept. Order is applicable to elementary and complex reaction. Elementary reaction means which takes place in one step only, and complex reaction is which takes place more than one step. But molecularity is applicable only to elementary reaction. For a complex reaction, order is given by the slowest step. Means slowest step is the rate determining step, and from this rate we have to find out the order of reaction. Molecularity is the of slowest step is same as the order of the overall reaction. So all these are the difference between order and molecularity. This is very important for your exam. Now some numerical problem based on the order, zero order reaction and first order reaction. Calculate the overall order of a reaction which has the rate expression. Rate expression is given. A point is rate is equal to K into A की concentration की power half B की concentration की power 3/2. तो what is the overall order of this reaction? Order is equal to half plus 3/2, that is equal to 4/2, means order is equal to 2. Now next is the rate given. R is equal to K, A to the power 3/2, B to the power -1. Then the order is equal to 3/2 plus -1, that is equal to half, means half order of reaction. Now next question is question number 2. Identify the reaction order from each of the following rate constant. First is rate constant is given. K is equal to 2.3 multiply 10 is to power -5 liter per mole per second. Now this is the unit of second order reaction, so its order is second order. With the help of unit we can easily find out the order if rate constant value is given. Same in this case, rate constant value is given, second inverse. So second inverse is the unit of first order, so its answer is first order reaction. Now next question number 3. A first order reaction is found to have a rate constant K is equal to 5.5 into 10 is to power -14 per second. Find the half life of the reaction. Here we write the T half for the first order reaction. T half is equal to 0.693 upon K. K is the rate constant. Then 0.693 divided by K value is given, 5.5 into 10 is to power -14. Then the answer is 1.26 into 10 is to power 13 second. This is the half life of the reaction for the first order reaction. Now the next numerical is the first order reaction takes 40 minutes for 30% decomposition. Calculate the T half. Means time is given, 30% decomposition, means 70 is left. This is the formula. K is equal to 2.303 upon T log of A by A naught. Means initial is suppose 100, out of 100 30% decompose, means 70% left. तो 100 डिवाइड में 100 minus 30, that is 100 by 70. Then 0 0 cancel out. Then log of 10 minus log of 7. Here putting the value of T, that is 40 minutes. Here the time is in minute. We have to calculate, so no need to multiply 60. If we have to calculate in second, then 40 multiply 60 also. Then K value is K value is equal to 2.303 by 40 log of 10 minus log of 7. Here answer is 8.918 into 10 is to power -3 minute, because log of 10 is equal to 1. And log of 7 is given, value is given in numerical. So after calculating, after putting this value, after calculating, this is the answer. But here we have to calculate T half. T half is equal to 0.693 upon K, and after putting this value of K, we have to calculate the T half for the first order reaction. So T half is equal to 0.693 upon K, that is equal to 0.693 divided में 8.918 into 10 is to power -3, that is equal to 77.7 minute. Now next question is, following data are obtained for the reaction N2O5 that decompose to 2NO2 plus half of O2. Time is given in table. Initial is 0 and final is 600. At time t is equal to 0, initial concentration of N2O5 that is given, At time t is equal to 600, final concentration of N2O5, that is 0.4 into 10 raised to power minus 2. Show that it follows first order reaction. This is the first question. तो point number A, how it follow the first order reaction. तो apply the first order formula. K is equal to 2.303 upon T log of A naught by A. At time T is equal to 300 second. Then K1 value calculated. K1 is equal to 2.303 upon 300 log of initial is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 2, and at 300 Kelvin 300 second is 0.8 into 10 raised to power minus 2, concentration of N2O5. Then after calculating, this is 2 log of 2 is equal to 0.3010. These are given in numerical. Log of 2 values 0.3010. After multiply this values, this is the answer, 2.31 into 10 raised to power minus 3 per second. At time t is equal to 600 second, then after that same K2 value is calculated. 2.303 upon 600 log of, here the initial concentration 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 2, and this is the concentration of N2O5 at 600 second. After putting this value, answer is 4. 4 means 2 the power 2 means 2 multiply log of 2. Here log of 2 value is 0.3010. After putting this value and after multiplication, this is the answer, 2.31 into 10 raised to power minus 3 per second. The answer is same in both the cases, means at time t is equal to 300 second and at time t is equal to 600 second. The answer remains same, that is per second. It is also per second. So the value of K remains constant for the first order reaction, so it follows the first order reaction. क्या हो गया? क्या चाहिए तेरे को? मारूंगी कान पे, बकवास करी तो। इतना गुस्सा, और मैं तेने बाहर उठा के फेंकूंगी फिर गुस्से में, जब किस जाएगा? पिटाई कर दूंगी मैं स्कूल में, मैडम तो फोन कर दूंगी, देख ले। Now T half is equal to 0.693 upon K is equal to 0.693 upon 2.31 into 10 raised to power minus 3, and after that answer is 30 second. Now next question is question number 6. A first order reaction takes 20 minutes for 25% decomposition. Calculate the time when 75% of the reaction will be completed. Log 2 value given, 3 value is also given. Here time is given and concentration is also given, that is 25%. First of all, we calculate the value of K. In second reaction, we have to calculate time and concentration is also given. Then first for 25% decomposition. First order reaction, 20 minutes given, 25% decomposition given. So here value of time is equal to 20 is equal to 2.303 upon K log of 100. Initial is 100 and 25% decompose, it means 75 left. This is equation number 1. For next part, for 75% decomposition, T is equal to 2.303 upon K log of 100 by 25, means out of 100, 75% decompose, only 25% left. So this equation, here we have to calculate the time, so here time is given, time is T. After dividing equation second by the equation number first, T by 20 is equal to, this one we cancel out, here left only log of 4 divide by log of this is 4 by 3, log of 4 minus log of 3, that is equal to 0.6021 divided by 0.6021, this value is given of log of 4. Log of 2 is given, that is 0.3010 multiply by 2, that is also log of 4. Minus log of 3 is given, 0.4771, this value is given. After calculating t becomes 0.6021 multiply 20 divided by 0.125, that 96.336 minute is the answer. Now question number 7. A reaction is of first order in A and second order in B. Write the differential rate equation. So here we have to write the differential rate equation. dx by dt is equal to K. Concentration of A. Concentration of A means first order in concentration A. And second order in B. So B is second order, means B ki power 2. So this is the differential rate equation. Now second part is, how is the rate affected on increasing the concentration of B 3 times. Now the new rate is equal to K into A to the concentration and B to the concentration to the power 2. Then K is equal to A, concentration of A, suppose this is A and B concentration is 3 times, that is 3B square. 3 3 is 9, it means 9 KAB square, it means the rate is equal to 9 times. Next third part, how is the rate affected when the concentration of both A and B are double. It means concentration of A is also double, B is also double, but concentration of A is having first order and B is having of second order. Then 2 multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 KAB square, it means the new rate is 8 times. Now question number 8. The rate constant for the first order reaction is 60 per second. How much time will it take to reduce the initial concentration of reactant to its 1 by 16th value? It means time is equal to 2.303 upon K. It means first order reaction, rate constant is value is given. Log of A by A naught. Putting this value 2.303 upon 60, log of 1 divided by initial concentration of reactant reduced to its 1 by 16th value, means 1 by 16th. This is log of 16th. Log of 16th means 4 ka square, means 2 log of 4. After putting this value, this is the answer, 4.62 into 10 raised to power minus 2 second. Now question number 9. For the first order thermal decomposition reaction, C2H5Cl give rise to C2H4 plus HCl. Here time is 0. Then total pressure is given in atmosphere, that is 0.30, at 300 0.50. Then question is that calculate the rate constant. Then solution is, this is the equation given. At time t, initial concentration is 0, and here is P naught. P naught is the initial pressure. At time t is equal to 0. Then at time t is equal to t, its initial concentration is x, it is also become x, and here is P naught minus x, means this is the left out concentration. K is equal to 2.303 upon T log of P naught by P naught minus x, means total pressure at time T, that is equal to P naught minus x plus x, that is equal to, total pressure is given, that is 0.50. P naught plus x, this x cancel out, P naught plus x is equal to 0.50. Here we have to calculate x because P naught value is given, initial pressure is given, that is 0.30. Then x is equal to 0.50 minus 0.30. Answer is 0.20. After putting the value of x in this equation, k is equal to 2.303 upon t log of a by में a minus x. K is equal to 2.303 upon 300 log of 0.30, because pressure at 300 is 0.30, divide में 0.30 minus 0.20, means this is P naught and this is P naught minus x. K is equal to 2.303 upon 300 log of 0.30 divide में 0.10. After calculating, answer is log of 3. Log of 3 value is given, that is 0.4771. After putting this value, this is the answer. Now the last question, number 10. For which type of reactions order and molecularity have same value? Then solution is, for elementary reactions, means the reaction which takes place in single step, so this is called as elementary reaction, and for elementary reaction order and molecularity value remain same. So these are the numericals problems related to first order and zero order reactions. Thank you, students.